Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse video in KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my KineMaster, and as you can see, I have created a project in my KineMaster application. And first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. Okay, for example, I'm going to make this video play backward. I'm going to reverse this video. If you want to reverse video, the step is very simple. We just need to tap on our video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that now the video is active, and we can click on the reverse option right here. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process completed. It depends on the size of the video and the duration of the video. Now it's done guys, and I'm going to play it to take a look at the result. As you can see that the video has been reversed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reverse video or make a video play backward in KineMaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!